Brian Sensei here. In this video, I want to share with you a new tech gadget that I recently acquired. It's a wall outlet extender that allows you to charge additional devices, including mobile devices and smartphones. And it has a nice tray on top to set your device and keep it off the counter or off the floor. Additionally, it has a night light that is turned on and off through a light sensor. Let's check it out. You'll find a link to this product in the description below. Out of the box, you're going to get the outlet expander and this nifty table that's optional to use. To install the outlet expander, first, remove the faceplate from an existing outlet using a standard screwdriver. On the back, you will notice that there is a new screw provided to screw into the wall. Next, connect the optional table to the back of the outlet expander as shown. Then, plug the outlet expander into the existing outlet. Using a Phillips screwdriver, insert it into the hole in the middle and turn it clockwise to secure the screw to the wall. The outlet expander is now ready to use. Simply connect your charging cable into the appropriate port, and you can set your mobile device on top of the table like this. Now, you will notice that the cable may be laying on the counter or the floor depending on your situation. So you can clip the cable into the clip on the side of the table to keep it off of the counter or floor. If you like, you can go ahead and watch or listen to content while you are multitasking. You'll also notice that you can feed your charging cable up through the middle of the table, if you prefer. You will notice the night light automatically come on in the evening or if all the lights are off in the room. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.